Which one of these top-tier jets sounds better? Let's hear them. First, we have the American F-18 Hornet, a powerful and legendary aircraft. Second, the Russian Su-30SM with its powerful engine and big air intakes. The Swedish JAS-39 Gripen, which is famous for its engine's whistle sound. Then the German Eurofighter, an advanced fighter having a unique design. The French Baguette, Rafale. And at the end, the true American plane that spreads democracy, the F-15E Strike Eagle.